This demo will cover how to make an accordion book, which is a book constructed by simply folding paper. First, gather your materials. You'll need paper, scissors, a pencil, glue, a ruler, and 2 covers made from cardboard food boxes. To make an accordion book, we need to know the dimensions of our covers before we start cutting and folding paper. Use a ruler to do this. We are going to subtract 1/4 inch from both the width and height of our cover measurements. These dimensions will help us trim our paper. It may be helpful to write these numbers down. Keep in mind, these measurements will be different depending on the size of your covers. Now that we have our measurements, we will begin trimming our paper. The pages, or book block, of an accordion book are made by folding a sheet of paper back and forth, accordion style, in page width increments. Start by measuring the height of your cover, keeping in mind the 1/4 inch subtraction from earlier. I made this measurement twice on my paper, lined up my ruler on both tick marks, and carefully tore along the ruler to get a straight line. Another option is to draw a line with a pencil and cut with scissors. Now that we have a piece of paper that is the correct height, we will begin accordion folding. Using a ruler, measure the width of your cover, again, keeping in mind the 1/4 inch subtraction from earlier. Make this measurement twice on the paper, line up the ruler on both tick marks, and carefully fold the paper along the ruler. This ensures you get a straight line. Using the size of this fold as a guide, begin folding your paper back and forth, accordion style. Go slowly to ensure the folds are straight and neat. When you finish folding your sheet of paper, you may be left with a last page that is too short. Cut this page off and save it, as we will use it to hinge our accordions together. I repeated these steps on another sheet of paper so that I had 2 accordion units. Next, connect the accordion units with the trimmed piece of paper from earlier. Simply fold this piece of paper in half, apply glue to each half, and attach the accordion units, being sure to line everything up nicely. Finally, use glue to attach each end of the book block to the center of the covers. Use your fingers to smooth out any imperfections. Depending on the strength of your glue, you may need to set the book under heavy objects for a few hours to make sure everything sticks. One exciting feature of an accordion book is that it can become a 3-dimensional object, as you can use both the fronts and backs of the pages. Also, keep in mind that you can add as many pages as you want by simply repeating the process of folding accordion units and attaching them with paper hinges.